Hey guys, how y'all doing? Hope y'all having a good day or a good night wherever you are, whatever time it is. Um, what's happening here? Force grid. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I've been busy with my timing. It has been off really. Hence why my recordings are off. I've been posting all of that. Right. I'm at work, but as you know, that doesn't stop me. As long as I get the opportunity and the time of day, I'm gonna get it done. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so let's back test here. Alright, so this is a daily time frame. Let's go from here. 2 hour. Bam, bam. Alright, so we've been doing this for a while. We're just gonna do it quick and easy. That's how we're gonna do it. It's quick and easy, simple, fast, and precise. Let's go. We got a low right here. Boom. 2 hour breaker structure. Boom. We got a high. Okay, can clearly see the high got broken. I'm gonna still follow the trend all the way down. This is a vibe. Okay. Breaker structure, downside. High got broken. And yeah, that's where we're at for now. The low right here. Alright, so we got the sell side liquidity. So what are we looking for? We're looking for buys. The breaker structure to the upside. Alright, so let's see what we have. So this is the order block here on the 2 hour. Let's see what's happening on the 15-minute. We have a downtrend, and we're gonna continue this trend until we get a change to the buy side. So we're gonna continue this trend until the market reaches down here. Reaches down there, alright. So this is a valid low. The breaker structure there. High. Low right here. Tapped in the order block. Five-minute. Let me see a nice break here. Alright, so we to the upside. Holy hell, okay. That's a breaker structure. Draw that. 2 hour. Okay, so that's a breaker structure in 2 hour right here. Structure. So we're looking for a retracement here. I'm gonna take it to here. The thing is, I believe this zone's here Because to be honest, I'll follow the 15 minute regardless. Whatever trend the 15 minute is giving me, that's what I'm going to follow. But when it comes to the zone that I mark on the 2 hour, they're just like, I would say, they help. They're like, whenever I get the reaction I want from that specific zone, that would be more of the overall, following the overall trend. So I trade the inside trend until it reaches the point of interest, and I'll target the outside or the higher TP or higher market structure. See what the market's doing. 5 minute, get more structure. So I'm expecting the market to come all the way down here. Expecting a retracement. Tap in, yes, and I'll sell to here. Stops right above, or have it at 15. There we go. Here, well, 1 to 2 first, as always. Got stopped out here. Damn. Okay. I mean, naturally, you should put this, but I mean, 15 pips, that's my thing, man. I'm not gonna go higher than that. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna go any higher. That's me. That's just me. That's just me, man. Alright. Boom, the market came down. I go fight it. This would be a new order block right here. Alright, so we gotta tap in 5 minute. Gotta pick a structure here. Alright, at least this one is guaranteed. Hang on, this one is guaranteed. So we gotta pick a structure there. A valid area here. So let's see a nice retracement, then a reaction. Give me a nice reaction. Boom, that's good enough for me. Entry 15 and 1 to 2, and my runner. Let's see if the runner will cover, the loss here. I want the runner to cover the loss and have me in profit. This 1 to 2 puts me in I would say 1% more, because it's a 1 to 2 and this would be a 1% loss, so this would be a 2% gain. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see. Okay, first TP hit. Let's see what the market does. I would have been stopped out. Yep. Yeah, I would have been stopped out. Clean. But hey, first TP got hit. I'm fine with that. It's okay. It's all good. So now we're at break even. Fine, okay, cool. Let's keep going. I believe the market's gonna, come all the way down here to this last zone that I marked out and get a nice reaction for the overall structure. Because it was the initial 2 hour point of interest, even though this order block that I marked out was like for the minor. It was close to here, but at least it did what it needed to, right? So this would be now, just like I explained, the point of interest for the overall push of the market, right? So we got a breaker structure here, which means we have a or high right here. A breaker structure here. Let's see. Alright, another bigger structure. No. This would be our new low. Or new high. Or high is already here. This is already our high, this is the low. Right? Breaker structure to the downside. Okay, so this is a lot of movement to the downside. I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute. What am I seeing? Okay. All right. Not seeing much on the 15, hence why I jumped to the 5. We got to break a structure and retracement already took place. Break a structure. New high. Honestly, looking to see the market come here before a move to the upside. So I don't want to catch any trades going the opposite way. You know, having so much momentum for a buy. Let's see. All right. Break structure. Let me just go back here to make sure that. Okay, good. I'm valid. Okay. Breaker structure here, order block here. Let's see. Get a break above here, then I'm golden. Break above. Let me see aggressive move again to the upside. One more. One more. No. Let's see. Alright, that's fine by me. Because it when it broke structure here, what frequently happens is an aggressive move, but normally we have our order blocks here that the market mitigated, didn't close below, as you can see here. So, and I got an aggressive move. So this is fine by me. Looking for the 15. All right, 1 to 2. Perfect. Nice. And let me see what else I can get out of this. I'll jump back to the 15. What am I seeing? Okay. So we got the breaker structure here. That was a small time. I'm gonna ignore that right there. This would be, yeah, it would be, yeah, it would be a valid high. It would be a valid breaker structure. Following our rules with the 1, 2, 3 candles, you know. So this is a valid high. Boom, breaker structure. Touch order block. Gotta break up. Alright. I'm not trusting this right here, so as you already know, the last time we did all that, for me to call this a valid pullback. Well, the fact that it respected the order block, we consider it a valid pullback. So that's sell side liquidity or new low. Okay, so this would be your new high. This would be our order block. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes. Okay, let me see. Alright. Back to the 15-minute. So this would be the breaker structure here. Order block here. Looking to get a retracement that would push it more to the downside. Oh, well, that didn't happen. It's fine. Jump down to the 5 minute. Get a break over here. Looking to get a retracement that would push it more to the downside. Oh, well, that didn't happen. It's fine. Jump down to the 5 minute. Get a break over here. Okay, so at this point I ended up closing the video without a proper exit or outro while recording. Like I said, guys, I'm at work. It's a bit hectic. I sent the video over to my phone where I could add this voiceover explaining to you guys that's what happened. Alright, so that would be it for this video. I'll go ahead and make a new one, and we'll go from there. So yeah, that's it for this video. I mean, it wasn't what I wanted to, didn't end the way I wanted to, but hey guys, come on, bear with me. I'm at work, so yeah. Alright, so until next time, guys, choose yourself and be your best. Do what you gotta do.